The MedClub Diagnostics Home Service Van, your solution to hassle-free healthcare.
Mabuhay! Welcome to the MedClub Diagnostics.
Step into our van and experience a modern, comfortable interior designed with your needs in mind. From plush seating to ensure your comfort to specialized medical equipment for accurate diagnostics, every detail is crafted to deliver premium care. With our home service, you can enjoy time efficiency, stress-free and hassle-free care, private and secure consultations, accessible and convenient services. Our team of specialists and doctors is ready to provide blood extraction, ultrasound, X-ray, ECG, and medical consultation, and other specific medical procedures you may need, all brought directly to your home. The centerpiece of our van is its fully equipped diagnostic area, from the bright, well-lit interiors to the meticulously sanitized spaces. Every aspect is thoughtfully designed to prioritize your comfort and safety. It also provides a secure and private setting for discussing your health concerns with our specialists. Experience hassle-free healthcare with the MedClub Diagnostics Home Service Van, premium care at your doorstep. Contact us today.
May problema nga sa'yo, hindi ka nga okay.
Say hi. Say hi.
Okay, welcome to the Philippines.
Ano yan? 65,000 po ba?
Sorry. Game. May niluluto kasi ako na trabaho sa TikTok. Yung tipo ng trabaho na parang hindi ka na nagtatrabaho. Kinakapa ko pa akong dadalhin ko siya sa YouTube kasi gusto ko talaga. Kaya ayun, nagpa-audition ako ng mga makakasama ko sa trabaho na to. Kailangan ko ng mga talented na mga seller na very entertaining sa live stream. Dahil dyan, eto na. Let's go for the audition. Go, go, go. Ay, baby na?
Yes po.
Breastfeeding?
Mix po.
Mixed. Minsan sa father, minsan sa baby.
Ganun talaga si Jowa. Dinadaan niya sa biro minsan yung mga nag-audition. Pero, alam niya yung pakiramdam ng gano'n, yung kinakabahan, kung ano mga tumatakbo sa isip. Kasi, pinagdaanan niya din yun. Kumbaga, pampagaan siya ng loob.
Eh, lahi po ba kayo?
Meron po. Shih Tzu and Bulldog.
Hindi, pero mukha kayo skin Koreans eh.
Ano ba?
Pero dahil ako ay top 1 fan ng aking sariling jowa, pagpasensyahan nyo na kung humahagal pa ako ng tawa.
Minsan po hindi kayo siopaw.
Ay,
Hindi kasi yung face talaga, So, good afternoon everyone! Golden R Bar and Restaurant!
ladies and gentlemen. And gentlemen and ladies.
How are you everyone? Are you having so fun?
Oba Masay, Aglastogan ni Juba Masay.
Hello po, Mami Oni. Hello po, Tarong Fan! Hello! Oh my God, fan niyo po ako.
Hello po.
Bating ka ba?
Halata.
Hindi natin na-checkan eh. So,
Kasi late po ako nung ano. Naligaw-ligaw po kasi yun.
pasensya ka na.
Baji set.
Hinahagi sa akin sa t-shirt mo, kaya nahanapin mo.
Hi po.
Hello, anong grade na?
Okay lang po bang gumamit ako ng phone para sa lyrics ka?
Sige po, sige. Kung gano'n kakatanga. Sige. Let's go.
Bakit ka napunta dito?
Eh, wala eh. Sarado pa yung Morato. Mamaya na ako uuwi.
Sorry, I'm so grateful today na makita ko kayo.
Okay, so ilang taon na po kayong dalawa?
19 po, actually birthday po namin today. Baka naman, bigyan ng iPhone yan!
Bakit ang vision ka? Bakit vision ka? Pero kailan nga birthday nyo?
Ngayon po, January.
Birthday nyo ngayon?
Actually, ano po, pa-birthday po namin sa sarili namin tong mag-audition, mag-step out sa comfort zone namin.
Wow! Happy birthday!
Thank you po!
Hi, my name is Cersei. It's not Search, Shrek, Cersei po.
Searchy.
Cersei na lang po.
Cersei.
I have a 5-year-old twin baby girls. Sabay po kami nagbuntis ni Papi ng time na yun. So,
Sabay kayo ni Papi? Eh ngayon, kaya kung sabayan si Papi ngayon?
hindi na po.
May jowa?
Yes po.
Kaya nakatagal.
2 years po. Niloko niya ako.
Niloko ka niya. Ba't hindi mo yung iniiwan?
Mahal ko siya.
Oh, tanga ka rin eh. Saan po kayo?
Taga Bulacan po.
From Cainta Rizal.
From Valenzuela City. Rosario, Cavite.
Catmon, Malabon City. From San Rafael Rodriguez Rizal.
All the way from the city of Antipolo.
Las Piñas. From Magdalena, Laguna.
Laguna?
Yes po.
All the way from Baguio!
Taga Tawi-Tawi po.
Tawi-tawi.
Eme.
Tawi-tawi ka?
Hindi, Eme lang po.
Pero taga saan ka talaga?
Quezon City.
You did me wrong. So ngayon i-explain mo yung kinanta mo. Ano yung ibig sabihin? Kasi wala kami naintindihan.
In short,
In short,
yung babae, wala namang ginawa sa aking mali.
ayun lang.
Yan lang.
Sana sinabi mo na lang.
Gamayo pa po ako para makita talaga kita.
Okay na, nakita mo na. Bye-bye.
Na-starstruck ako. Sobrang ganda mo po.
Ako nga nasilaw ako sa tabit mo eh.
Nandito na si Chito Miranda.
Mga pamangkin ko, nagsasabi sa akin every Saturday na, Tita, nag-upload na sila ng bagong video. And may stroke, Mom. Idol kayo.
Shoot another shot, try to stop the feeling.
Di ko ulang ko ba't ako napasama dito? Sama-sama sa mga pasabog nilang kikwating lang.
Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. You really get a thing for American guy. Ay, sorry.
Ay, sige na. Sa second. Okay, go, let's go.
Oh, you got my heartbeat running away. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all.
Stage name Saint Salvador, but my real name is Ryan Salvador.
Bakit send?
49 cent kasi si may 50 cents na eh.
Ay,
Hindi, joke lang po.
kasi
Joke
nga
lang po.
naman. Thank you so much, Jenny Rose. Grabe, hindi ka natinag ng bangaw ah.
Ang katotohanan ay di ko mapigilang mapangiti na lang ito.
Sige lang, pag nakakalimutan mo, tumalikod ka lang.
When the memories start.
Sige lang, kasi mo muna. Ayan, dyan ka muna.
And hold you the words, cause time. You say, ito.
Alam ka muna, sige, harap ka na. Ba't di mo maisip? Yan, yan.
And I love you.
Yes, I'm saving all my love for you.
Okay, thank you. Wala nang ibang talent. Kakain ng pepe sa stage, di kaya. Okay, sa akin. So, ilan taon na po kayo?
29 po.
29. May baby na?
3 po.
3.
Single mom po.
Single mom? Isa lang po yung father.
2 po.
Walandi ka din. Nag-aaral at the moment? May ibang work?
Ano po, second year college po, BSW tuloy. Ano po?
Ako lang ang nagkakaalam.
Basta yun na. Bukas na lang text ko.
Okay.
Thank you everyone and thank you so much.
Sayaw! Baka sumasayaw ka.
Pwede pong magmura, okay lang po. Sige po. Hindi, kasi mura kasi yung kanta ko. 3 bilyon, ikaw lamang ang aking gusto. Nakakaputang ina, at ako'y iniwan mo sa ere. At ako'y iniwan mo, oh, di ba? Nakakaputang ina ka dyan. Tayo lumilipad pa. At ako'y iniwan mo, oh. Ay, yun na po.
Ano sa tingin mo, MC? Feeling mo tanggap ka?
Feeling ko!
Tama yan! Feeling mo lang yan!
Feeling ko!
Taga saan yung pauwiin niyo na?
Meron ka bang lemon? Gusto ko tequila!
Oh, habang break time, syempre magsasample muna ang Toro family.
Pakilala po kayo?
Hello po, ako po si Vince, taga Bacoor, Cavite. Talent ko po lahat.
Lahat. May anak na po kayo?
Meron na po,
Ilan po?
2 po.
So, may asawa po kayo?
Meron po.
So, mahal niyo po ba mag-break ba kayo? Ano?
Hindi na po kami mag-iwalay nun. Actually, kinakabahan po kami. Kabisado po yung episodes ng lahat ng Toro Family. Opo.
Okay, so ano po talo-talo naman lahat?
Siguro, mag-host po muna.
Sige, host ka muna.
Yan, isang magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala si Division Tayo ngayon sa Golden na Malabalay lahat. Singing na po tayo.
Sige ako.
Ilang ulit pa ba ang uulitin? Giliw ko.
Okay.
Ilang ulit pa ba ang uulitin? Giliw ko. Ilang ulit pa ba ang uulitin? Giliw ko. Ilang ulit pa ba ang uulitin?
So, paulit-ulit na po.
Yes po, ang title po nun, ulit.
Okay.
Dancing na po, dancing.
Dancing na po tayo. Okay po. Hey! Thank you po. Sorry po, hindi po kayo tanggap. Sorry po. Oo.
Okay lang, tanggap naman ako sa puso mo.
Just once, can we figure out? Oh, tama na to. Now that I found you, that's all.
Di kasali si Papi. Bawal sumayaw. Buntis pa more.
Di bali na muna kayo na muna mag-enjoy dyan. At least ako, madami akong makakasama hanggang sa pagtanda ko. At marami rin makakatulong sa akin sa pag-aalaga sa akin pag ma-onders na ang lola mo.
Ay, maling mentality yan. Kaya ka nag-anak kasi gusto mong gawing taga-alaga sa'yo pag matanda ka na? Paano naman yung sarili nilang buhay, Papi?
Bago ka makialam ng buhay ng iba, ayusin mo muna yung sayaw mo. Halata naman kaya lang pumalakpak yung mga tao sa'yo kasi naawa sila sa'yo.
Kahit ang galing ko,
Di ka papawis pero ngasin mo na.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo, Golden Hour, kung saan ako nagpa-event ng aming pa-audition. Diyan lang yan sa may San Mateo, Batasan Hills, QC. Kaya kung meron dyan na gusto nyo magpa-event or mag-celebrate, pwede nyo pong i-rent ng kanilang place or kung gusto nyo lang sumat. Again, andyan lang yun. Napakalapit lang. QC lang. Alam na this. Alam na. So yun lang guys, thank you. Thank you sa effort natin today. And hopefully na magtuloy-tuloy natin siya next week. Thank you po sa owner, sa pag-alasama natin kung makapag-audition. So again, thank you sa effort ninyo. Ayan, self-clap tayo guys. Thank you so much! Aba naman, bakit naman ganito yung mga nakikita kong bigla sa CCTV ng bahay ni Ate Marie? Bakit parang may bagong kasal? At talagang sabay pa talagang maliligo? Di kaya magkuskus mag-isa? Kailangan may karamay. Hindi abot yung likod, di abot. O may inaabot.
I'm really happy that I do everything with my baby mama, but sometimes I get confused.
Baby snake or some shit, look. You see it? The fuck is that?
Huh?
That's normal to y'all? No, when I leave water, I don't see baby frogs and baby and shit. Baby worms, whatever it is.
Baby daddy, when you leave the mosquito will fly. They leave their eggs there.
So that's a baby mosquito egg.
Nabother siya sa kitikite.
So, what are you using now?
Clean water.
Clean water galing sa ano. Okay. How about you get water from the day?
Hell no. So you seen that before in there?
Hmm?
You seen that before?
Of course not, because we left that like 2 days. That's just kite-kite, baby daddy.
What the fuck could that is? Okay, where's the other brothers and sisters?
They're already grown. they're already
Ito may
grown.
panic sa mukha niya.
So I drank one? Oh, for real. What? Oh, that's probably why I got that hurt.
What?
Because the baby mosquito was in my mouth and in my gum.
Nakamikmik.
Oh, I can't believe that. Seeing it disappear. So what if I don't know if I drank one? It's not there no more. Look.
Because they will fly.
That was swimming. I wasn't flying. It was like this, like a snake.
I know, but they will fly soon.
And I almost drank it. I went like that and I seen it. I was like, what the f is that? I would have swallowed it down and had a baby mosquito on my stomach.
Okay. You're saved, okay? God didn't let you drink the baby mosquitoes.
Thanks God.
And now my baby mama said there's a ghost living in the Fab office.
Jesus Christ, please don't let no evil spirits follow me home. Please keep the evil away. Please protect me and the family. God, please, just help. Honey, help. God, please. Amen.
Baby daddy, there's no ghost.
He said somebody died here.
Yeah, I know.
That means there's spirits here. There's ghosts.
Oo.
He said he's seen a face up there.
But Kuya King is just, he's playing.
No. He said somebody died here and there's blood on the floor up there.
Te, tumuro siya.
You pinpoint. I told you not to pinpoint.
Please protect me. Please don't let no evil spirits follow me home, God. I rebuke in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
I'm scared of the ghosts because I don't want them to haunt me.
Okay, baby daddy, come on. Are you okay?
No, come on.
I'm going to drive. I love you.
I love you too. Please hurry.
Nope.
Meet me. What are you doing? Hurry up.
I don't know what kind of ghosts you have here in the Philippines, but in America, they come out in the daylight, the nighttime, every time.
What?
He said every time he leaves here, he feels like it's a ghost behind him.
Who?
Papa King.
Papa King told you that?
Yes.
Papa King is just joking around.
No, he was for real.
Did
Somebody
you-
died here and he said somebody got murdered here.
Yeah, but then,
Yeah, but then there's ghosts.
okay. Baby daddy,
Jesus Christ, please let no evil follow us. I rebuke. I know you're with me, God. My guardian angels, I know y'all are with me.
baby daddy, don't worry.
What do you mean, don't worry?
I'm here. Okay?
That's not enough, though. We gotta
Why?
be protected by the angels.
I know. All I'm saying is that
What do you expect us to fight the ghost? Come on, let's go. You're still sitting here. You want him to come home with us?
baby
Mamamatay ako.
baby daddy, remember, the ghosts here are harmless. They're just
No, he said he heard the ghost feel it touch his shoulder, the guy in the front, the worker.
And then
It's a mosquito.
What
Come on,
happened
why
to
are you
you?
stopping? Go. He said he felt somebody touch your shoulder, the ghost.
Yeah, I know. But sometimes, ghosts become a mosquito. Oh, you kill
The
the
ghost
mosquito.
So I killed the ghost.
You killed the ghost, oh. It's done.
No, that means they're gonna come for me again in another life.
Baby daddy, do not worry, okay? Do not panic.
See, I got the chills. We need to go to church tomorrow.
So,
Oh, mosquito!
Migay!
What's so funny? It's right there!
Namamatay na ako kakatawa. Kasi tang ina, sabi ni Landon, bakit daw ganun? Ang dami daw lamok sa Pilipinas.
I cannot drive fine if you're like that, baby daddy.
I mean, I can't help it. It's not my fault.
Okay. Calm down. Oh my God. Okay. Nagdadasal pa rin siya, Mikay. There's still mosquitoes?
Yes, I just seen it. Jumped on me. I didn't kill it.
That's the ghost.
That's the ghost.
Tumigil ka na, Mikay.
Ah! I killed it. Ah, I got it. Okay, close this before more come. I killed it. I killed it.
Ano ba? Saan ba ba yung mosquito? Putang inalasan ba ba yung mga... Where's the mosquito?
It was right here. I just killed it. It flew.
Okay.
Oh!
At dahil nga birthday ni Baby Meteor, namili muna kami ng regalo.
I'm having a hard time finding the parking ticket, but I don't want my baby mama to be disappointed.
Where is the parking ticket, baby daddy?
Let me see. Hold on.
Where's my pads?
That I don't know. Okay.
Baby
oh,
daddy,
oh.
I gave it to you. That's not it. Where is it?
You didn't give me the pod.
I gave you. What happened?
You left it somewhere.
Oh my God, I left it somewhere.
I have nothing. I for real do not know. I don't think
I gave you the 100 pesos in the paper. Where's the 100 pesos?
We used it.
Where's the paper?
The paper I think I threw in the trash. I didn't know.
We can't go home.
I just have to jump off, y'all.
This.
Oh, there, it's right there.
Oh, where's
Your
my
pod,
pads?
I didn't have.
Naku, Mikay.
I for real didn't have that. Oh wow! Oh wow!
Okay. You put it there.
You put it there.
Sinasabi naman ni Landon na masaya siya sa pamilya. Pero lagi siyang natataranta kasi nga ginugulat siya ng Toro family. Kung ano-anong napagkukwentuhan. Kesyo, marami daw multo sa Pilipinas, kaya natataranta palagi. Eh hindi ko alam, matatakotin pala si baby daddy.
Eto na at sinisimulan ko na mag-live testing sa bahay. Grabe ang gastos at paghahanda ko para dito. Kaya sana supportahan nyo kami at makipagkulitan kayo sa amin every live ng aming buhay sa araw-araw. Sa aming mga TikTok accounts. Siyempre, account ko na to, Mami Tony Fowler. Ayan siya. At siyempre, sa Fab Official PH na TikTok account din. At siyempre, another one sa Toro Family Official. At siyempre, isa pa sa Fab Station. Ayan siya. So, dyan nyo kami makikita nagla-live. Dyan lang yan iikot-ikot. Follow nyo po kami. Everyday yan naka-live kami, guys. From 4 p.m. to 6 a.m. Ganon.
Ganun pa talaga sila palagi. Ate ko, hindi na mapaghiwalay si Mama Maria at Uncle Landon. Sobrang sweet nila. Grabe talaga ang pagmamahal.
Music lover daw si Landon. O edi pakitaan natin siya ng freestyle. Hindi pwedeng hindi.
What? Landon is in the Philippines. He's so happy. Close to be. Hey! I wanna go to the mall. Kasi you have big mall. Hey! I
like your hair, so curly. Your name is Girly. I'm a man, I'm a manly. You know what's bad? That's so badly. On, the light is not off. I will turn on the light, you will turn off the world.
Yeah, my turn.
Your turn. Doesn't make any sense.
I'm with Kuya Ben. I'm with Auntie Tony. I'm with Baby Mama. I'm with Kuya CJ. And we on the freeway, cruising down the street in my 6'4", like the boys in the hood. You already know.
Yo, hey, we're on the freeway, like you said. December on the freeway. Oh, that's free. Out with baby mama, baby mommy. We're editor, now we're driver, now we're Mick. We are Toro family. Sounds like Bruce Lee. What? Toro family. I'm gonna chop your head like Jet Li. Hey! Got Papa King, Chow King, Tapa King, and King Inamo. Hey!
Saan tayo matanda para sa ganito?
Yeah. Hotdog cheese dog, tae mo sabog. Hotdog cheese dog, tae mo sabog. Ito yung Coke tsaka JD. Mini-mix ko. Ikaw broke kasi lazy. Dinidisco. Landon's on beside me. We're gonna eat Jollibee. A, B, C, D, E.
Ay, nako!
Am I good? Yeah, I'm good, right? I'm not gonna stop you. Turn on my switch. It's about to go down. I'm a clown.
Kaya mo bang sabayan ng pasalitang sinampal ng margarine?
It's good.
Tama ka, Tony. Masyado na tayo matanda.
Matanda para sa ganito. Ang lilikot na sa likod.
Sinukutaan nyo mga 20 anyos eh.
Hey, mga pwede!
Kumusta?
That's Wamos.
Kumusta, Kuya?
Yeah, bunso!
Eto na naman po si Tony Fowler. Umaandar na naman ang pagka-eat and run niya sa mga party-party. Kami mamaya.
Mamayang gabi pa, kahit ko lang. Nakakain na lang, eh. Tama lang ako. Tama na to. Oh, Will. Ikaw lang? Ha? Ikaw lang? Kami din, nag-interview pa kami. Sige, interview, ilamutan na lang. Ganun naman talaga mga ano minsan. Oy, grabe! Joke lang gano'n. Ako talaga, dahil alam niyo naman, konti lang kaibigan ni Mami Oni, bihira lang din ako pumunta sa mga events. At basta pupunta ako doon, maramdaman mo yung presence ko. Diyos ko, sana ma-appreciate mo na kasi nga, hindi ako tumatagal sa mga party-party mo sa labas. Pag may mga ibang tao, basta alam niyo na yun. Ganun lang ako, basta bihira talaga. Kumbaga, thankful naman ako. Makukonsensya din kasi ako. Kasi pag sila tunay yung pumupunta sa event ko, sinisimulan nila at tinatapos nila yung buong event. Pero ako, pag pumunta talaga ako sa event ng mga kaibigan ko, parang ako nalulunod ako sa mga tao. Kaya, thank you sa mga kaibigan ko, sa close friends ko na naiintindihan na ganun ako. Na basta pag nagpunta ako sa'yo, ibig sabihin sobrang importante ka na sa akin. Ganun. Pag tumagal ako ng konti, importante ka na sa akin doon. Pero more on eat and run lang talaga ako. Lalo na ngayon, syempre, papasuso pa ako. May inuwihan akong baby. Hindi ako pwede masyadong expose sa labas. Pero hindi talaga ako tumatagal sa events.
London?
Yes po.
London? Oh, yes po! You know how to respect elders, huh?
Ayan na si Tita Chrissy, umariba na naman ang kalokohan.
Your face is so tiny.
The bed?
No, not bad. It's not bad. It's what Filipinos like. But my face is as huge as the face of your...
My baby mom's face. We told you a while ago that he cat. There's a cat.
You know? In the Philippines, my name is Chino. Oh, we haven't met. Chino, London. Okay, I'm Chino, but people call me the rabbit.
The rabbit?
Because when I fuck, it's like 20 rabbit all at once, you know? Yes.
Oh, the cat is calling you.
The cat is calling you.
Hindi ko lang siya mamukha kasi kamukha niya yung sinasamba ko. Eh,
What does that mean?
yeah, that's your best. Today is your best.
Yung pesta.
Best of Santo Niño.
Oops, eto na. Party-party nang wala si Papi. Ey!
Dime lo que tú quieres de mi coqueta. Sé lo que te gusta es salir y se suelta. Cuando baila reggaetón pa' mí que muñeca. Le gusta salir y seducir. Le gusta seducir. Dime lo que tú quieres de mi coqueta. Sé lo que te gusta es salir y se suelta. Cuando baila reggaetón pa' mí que muñeca. Le gusta salir y seducir. Dale chiquitita también más. Qué bonita que te quiere controlar. Ella dice que me quiere controlar.
Hindi na kami masyadong nag-aaway ni Jowa. Kasi kapag ka nagagalit or naiinis siya, napakadali ko na lang siyang malambing. Kailangan mo yung pag ganun.
My experience partying here in the Philippines was really fun. We stayed out late. I don't even remember leaving the club that night.
O syempre, ilalagay yan sa screen. Sikat kami.
At sa wakas, nagkasabay na ang Fowler Sisters na masaya ang mga puso namin.
Kahit saan talaga magpunta si Tonyang ko, pinapasok talaga yung MPL. Ayan, napipilitan tuloy.
Ako'y nakibig lang sa umos. Hindi mo ko pinili. Meron ka ba na remote? Gusto ko tequila. Sige, sige, sige. Ligan mo tequila. Right now, let's give it up for Tony Fowler in the house, y'all. Let's go! Come on, gusto mo yung nakapibabaw? Sunod na kasina ako pumunta sa aking sabaw. Sige, sige, sige.
Ganap ko, ayun, ganun, todo chika ako kasi sobrang na-miss ko yung mga besi ko. Todo chika ako sa live. Ngayon na nga lang din ako nakalabas kasi nga, di ba, so far, busy ang person. At sa work, at sa pagiging mami Oni.
Sinamahan na ni Harvey si Mikmik para mag-ikot-ikot. Tapos nakita ni Tony. Akala niya nakikipaglandian si Harvey.
Eto na, nagdrama na ako. Diyos ko naman, nadrama na talaga ako. Hindi ko alam kung hormones ko lang ba to as postpartum o lasing na din ako. Kasi alam nyo ba guys, may tattoo kasi ako dito niya ni Eno. A plus J. Ako yung parang T dyan, yung plus. Anthony, Tony, tsaka si Jamie. Yung mga besi ko na yan. Parang na-feel ko bigla na, hala, sobrang focus ako maging mommy, sobrang focus ako sa konting oras ko, nilalagay ko sa trabaho. Parang nagkakaroon ako ng feeling na parang natatakot ako magkaroon ng mga bagong kaibigan, parang tama may desisyon ko na naiiyak ako kasi na-miss ko sila. Kasi pag nanganak ka, may bagong baby sa buhay mo, hindi ka na masyado nagkakaroon ng panahon na kamustahin yung mga besi mo, yung mga kaibigan mo, lalong malapit sa'yo. Parang may konsensya sa parte mo na anong klase kang kaibigan. Though, don't get me wrong sobrang alam kong iniintindi nila ako, alam nila yung sitwasyon ko, never silang nagreklamo, never silang nagdemand. Kaya thankful ako sa mga besi ko, sa mga kaibigan ko na mahal ako. Pero ako bilang ako, hindi na ako yung tulad ng dati na wala na talaga akong panahon sa mga friendship, ganun. And nahiiyak ako kasi baka mamaya pag naka-recover na ako, baka mamaya pag may extra na akong time, kapag meron na akong panahon na maisingit ko sila, ganun na nga yung term ko, isingit ko lang yung mga kaibigan ko baka mamaya wala na akong mga best na balikan. Wala na akong mga best friend. Hindi lang sila marami din naman din akong mga kaibigan na iba na malapit sa puso ko na takot ako na paano pag hindi na nila ako mahal, pag naka-recover ako mula sa panganganak, yung ganun. Pero naiintindihan ko naman na parte din talagang identity crisis kapag nanganak ka. Kasi hindi na siya tulad ng dati. Kahit sabi mong pangalawang anak mo na to, iba talaga. And again, thankful lang ako na naiintindihan ako ng mga besi ko na, yun nga, iba yung priority ko sa ngayon. At sana, mahalin pa rin nila ako kapag kaya-kaya na ng schedule ba na makasama ko sila ulit ng tuloy-tuloy at nababalance ko na lahat.
I also talked to Ate Tony. I was tipsy that time, but I remember I said, I'm very thankful that they are my family here in the Philippines, and I will protect the family and make sure we get home safe.
Wala na. Bagsak na kami ni Mikmik na star ng pikpik. Hindi na kaya.
Tayo nalasing na ako, tol. Pero etong si ate, papatong na naman sa jowa. Ay, baby daddy daw niya. Diyos ko naman. Ay, okay, oh. Wait lang, slowly lang, test. Slowly lang.
Turn off the yung putang natanggalin sabihin mo.
It's okay? Landon, are you still breathing? Can you breathe? Can you? Hello, bro. Are you okay? Are you still living in this earth?
I was really drunk. I actually don't remember how we got home.
Sabi ni Landon, guys,
I will protect the family and make sure we get home safe.
poprotektahan daw niya ang pamilya. Tapos pagkadating namin sa kanilang tahanan, mas lasing pa siya kay Ate Marie. Ha? Napakaganda ng pangako niya sa amin sa bar. Talagang, I will take care of this family. I will take care of all of you. Tapos, lasing na lasing. Yeah? Amin niyo yun? Lalabas pa siya dun sa...
The ghost is behind you.
Ay, saan siya punta?
Bro, where are you going?
Hey! Hey, we need to go!
Lalabas pa siya dun sa harap.
Where are you going, bro?
Siya punta.
Saan pupunta sa Amerika? Lalabas na sa harap.
Bro, kami...
Pupunta. Parang ano parang unang pangako pa lang, Landon, na break na. Ay, nako.
Landon! You need to stand, you need to stand.
We need to
Sit down.
go!
Come on. Go inside. You need to go inside.
Siguro nasa isip ni Vince kailan kaya magsushota si ate. Para matapos.
Bounce na kami, ha? Pahinga na kayo, ha?
Kami naman, pag uwi sa bahay, ginigising ko nun sila ate.
Ina mo na, laglag.
Tapos biglang may narinig ako, tinawag ako ni Harvey ng Tony. Tang ina naman! Asan? Hindi pa kaya kunin? Ilawan mo.
Wala wa kanal yan eh.
Saan mo nilagay doon?
Dulo.
Saan doon? Ang lalim!
Wala na yung message mo na lang yung orphan.
Tang ina naman.
Doon na naglaman.
Wala na, nalaman mo na yung sikreto ni Harvey.
Wag.
Huwag mo na.
Hindi ba kayang anuhin?
Why hindi na kaya yan? Sabihin mo na lang sa Orman. Sabihin mo na lang sa Orman Spice.
Hindi matanggap ni Harvey. Kaya kumuha pa siya doon ng parang, ewan ko kung tiles ba yun o kung anong bato para gibain yung daanan para makuha yung postiso niya.
Kamay mo
Kamay mo.
Kasi dyan.
Bigyan nyo ng ano, t-shirt or something.
Wala, nababasag lang dyan.
Hindi, kasi yung tubig yan, dumadakon. Baka may diretso.
Kaya kailangan ngayon na. Harvey, cellphone mo mahulog dyan, sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Ano mo, lalim pala.
Malalim nga, ilalim siya. 2 weeks, no, karating na lang. Magmas ka na lang muna.
Tawagan na lang agad si Doc.
Mas, iba man salta mo, hindi nila gets yun. Bungal ba o something, nakamas ka lang muna, ha?
Alas 6 na. Umuwi nun si Harvey. Usapan namin, bago siya umalis para makigimik-gimik na yan. Asawa, dadalan mo ko ng pagkain pagbalik mo. Kasi nga, for sure, sumuka na naman ako niyan. Ay, abaday! Iba yung pasalubong na dala niya. Alam mo, alas 6 na. Woke up ang lola mo. Bakla, ang dami niyang niraran, ang dami niyang reklamo. Tapos halatang bangag na bangag talaga, lasing na lasing talaga siya. Ano na? Ano nangyari? Usapan makiki-happy-happy ka lang dun, parang nasobrahan naman ata. Wala akong ibang choice kundi, alam mo yung, kahit inis ako, gutom na ako kasi sinuka ko nga lahat. Sige lang, asawa. Okay lang yan. Pero sa utak ko talaga, ay, nakuyari ka sa akin paggising mo talaga, ba't ka sumagad? Gigil talaga.
Hinahanap ko talaga yung ngipin ko. Kasi nahihiya akong humarap sa mga tao nang hindi siya maayos. Kasi bukod sa hindi siya kompleto, nahihirapan din sila na intindihin ako. Kasi di ko mabigkas ng maayos yung gusto ko sabihin. Lalo na't sunod-sunod yung aasikasuhin ko sa mga susunod na araw.
I feel bad for Kuya Harvey. That's why I told him I'm gonna help you find your teeth.
Oh, shit!
Baby daddy, are you okay?
Yes, my mom. Are you happy with our family? Yes, po.
I think the tooth fairy is living down there.
Oh, it is down there.
Wala na to. May hagdan kayo eh.
Yes, down there.
Wala na to ha.
We should get a rope. Y'all got a rope?
May ilaw ako doon.
Kung ganun siya, akala ko kasi parang baka nasa isang gilid na. Pero kung nababad na ng ganyang katagal, Harvey.
Are you sure this is
O, puro basura na sa ilalim. Madumi ang kanal natin, Harvey.
Somebody can go down, but not me though. Sorry, Kuya. Hey, you look better with one.
No.
It's unique.
I saw Auntie Poppy puffing vapes. I don't understand why she's doing it because she's pregnant. It's just not right.
That's not good. Why don't you stop? Stop for the baby.
I tried.
You want the baby to smoke cigarettes?
But I'm not hitting it like all the time.
Still.
Like once a day. I'm winning it down.
Idiin mo, papi. Galingan mo pa magdahilan at magpaikot.
Sa totoo lang, it makes no sense arguing sa isang batang parang may pansit kanton sa ulo. I wouldn't take any other answers than their own answers. Mapipilit mo ba ako kung ayaw ko?
You should stop all the way. All the way, stop.
I know, I think.
O, diba? I know. Puro ganun. Aanhin mo ang knowledge kung walang pag-apply. Be, ano na?
I'm in the process.
What's the process?
She said little by little, but it's not.
But you're pregnant. You want the baby to do it? That's what it's doing. That's what's happening.
I know that it's just hard to stop for 30. I did it with my other kids when I was momming before. I weaned off little by little. And then eventually I'll stop. It's just not that easy to do it so suddenly.
So what's your advice to Ate Papi?
Wait.
Okay, so you can show now your pods?
I can stop if I have kids. I'm pregnant. I'm gonna stop. But I'm not.
What if you get Ate pregnant?
She's not gonna vape.
No, I mean, can you stop?
Yeah, I'll stop.
Even if you're not the one that's pregnant.
She wants me to stop. You want me to stop? I'll stop.
what I did. You stop.
Keeping you.
Tony is still using a.
What's she's pregnant?
Kibi niya gumagano na.
3 months pregnant to Tyrone.
2 months lang ako.
2 months pregnant. Then I stopped.
I was already first month when I figured out that I'm pregnant.
Were you vaping? When you were
I
pregnant?
was vaping. And then after that, it was hard for me to stop. That's why I switched into zero nicotine for like a month. And then I cried and I cried and I cried.
Then I told her that
Yeah, so hard. It's so hard to poop.
I stopped. I stopped vaping.
Yeah.
And I told her, just do it for the baby.
Yeah.
And I stopped.
Do it for the baby.
Yeah, I know.
You throw it now. Throw it in the bush.
What bush?
Here. Throw it.
Here? Not there. Okay.
Actually, I think you need to talk to Harvey because Papa's sick.
Harvey, come here.
Harvey.
Her, stop vaping. Tell her more. Tell her harder. Tell her harder. Stop! Stop! Alam mo yun, nandito lang siya sa Pinas, naging formang Pinoy na rin siya.
You look like a Filipino.
Really?
Yeah.
And your clothes.
That's what we wear.
Yeah.
We're at home.
Yeah. And you do this, oh, every Filipino does this. Sad. And then you do this to your stomach. Yeah, true Filipino, huh?
Then you do this. You do this.
Yeah, the scratch. Yes. Yeah, that's a true Filipino. If you're gonna point something, don't point like this. Do this. Yeah. Landon, have you seen my my?
Oh, right there.
My drink. Yeah, like that. No, you don't use voice like this. I'm gonna ask you something. Landon, have you seen my buko, my juice? Alright, thank you. And here in the Philippines, if you can't hear the word, you don't say say it again. Don't say that. You say huh? 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 Landon can say huh? Where's my vape? Huh? Huh? Yeah.
Huh?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh? What's that? A new dance move? Huh? Oh, you do this. Do this. True Filipino. Yeah, do this. Yeah, and do this. Yeah. Yeah, you do that. And then you scratch your back like that. Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
And you bite this. After you eat, you do that. When it's hot.
Fan yourself.
Yeah, and do this. Yes!
Nag-ikot-ikot muna kami sa playground, sa aming paligid-ligid. Alam mo yun, wala lang, chill lang. Di ba kasi yun yung masarap pag-usapan kinabukasan, yung may mga hangover kayo. Kung ano yung nangyari kagabi. Pero nagulat ako sa aking nakita. Ate Marie, yung anak mo, ang likot.
I still can't get over. Auntie Poppy, please stop vaping. It's harming the baby plus your health.
I advise you to stop.
I know. You don't have to tell me again and again because I know it for myself. It's my goal here. It's just that it's really hard to get it to stop it all at once. You don't get it because you're not a girl and you're not pregnant. Yeah. So I respect you for that because you're not in my shoes. It's alright. I totally understand. Even if I'm in your shoes, I'll be concerned too. I'm also like that for Tony when she was pregnant. You see?
Oh, so that's the... Is that your vape?
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. Like mine too.
You like ano, the thing in the bottom, in the top. Pull it. Yeah,
like
That's all of it.
I'm just gonna take it for you.
Okay.
I know it's gonna be hard, but I'm doing this for
But you know that I'm still gonna find ways.
Why?
So even if you took it from me, I can still get another one.
Why? Why would you?
You can stop me from getting it if I'm not really ready to like quit it. You cannot force me to do it.
But if you're gonna find a way to have another one, he's also gonna find a way to get it again.
Yeah.
I know. Good
Okay.
luck. Good luck to you, man. I'm good at hiding things. I even hid my pregnancy, bro.
But it's because I just, you know.
I know, I get it. It's okay. I get your point. No, I'm not mad. I mean, I'm also like that when Tony was pregnant.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm the one who's pushing her to quit. And I'm like, hey, I already quit, we can do this together, and stuff like that, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so I get your point.
So you're not mad at me?
No. It's just that I know you're rushing me right now because you're so concerned about the baby and all. I totally understand.
Pero gusto mo makunin? Yung pants mo?
Oh, wow!
Okay. She said,
withdrawal. Alam mo yan.
she said she wants to get the...
But still she wants to get it from me.
Yeah, for real.
Are you gonna give it back?
No.
Oh, okay.
You're tough.
Ang kulit.
Ayan, napagtripan tuloy pabalik si baby daddy.
Yeah, Harvey. I'm sorry. No. I'm sorry if I offended you. Okay? I'm sorry.
Are you crying?
I'm sorry, Kuya. Okay?
Nah, man, he's offended and shit.
I didn't mean to offend you. Seriously, I didn't. It's okay.
He's crying.
Perfect in my eyes. Yours.
I know my husband, he will just say that it's okay, but he'll be upset for like the next 2 to 3 days.
Don't be upset. It's okay. I didn't mean to upset you. Seriously, I didn't.
It's okay, man.
Why would you be upset with me? I didn't want to offend you.
He's crying right now.
He's upset with me.
He's upsetting you.
Harvey, are you upset? Come here. Come here. Why are you crying, Harvey? Sabihin mo na ano. Harvey, sabihin mo na sa kanya na ano lang. Sabihin mo na to. Sabihin mo na. Kawawa to eh. Sige na. Come here, Harvey.
Sabi mo na
Grabe yung ano ha, porket di naiintindihan, sinasagad nyo ha.
Because I don't like that. The way you're treating me.
I'm sorry. Why are you laughing? It's not funny.
I'm not having many moments. Harvey.
Harvey, yakap ka bigla kay Tony umiiyak.
Wala. Why are you crying? It's okay. Wala. Uy. Huwag ka na umiyak. Sige na. Sabi na. Hindi naman. Doesn't mean it. It doesn't mean it. It's okay. He's crying.
Okay, Kuya.
Sabihin nyo na.
Listen na. Oh, don't cry. Don't cry. Landon is not a bad guy. He didn't mean it. Okay? Okay na.
Sabihin mo na, sabihin mo na kasi sasabog na ako, Bi.
I'm joking, man.
I'm just kidding lang. It doesn't mean
Are you crying me?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a problem. What are you feeling?
Wait lang, ang gaya ko banig pa. I thought he was mad at me.
Sabi niya.
You're not mad at me, Kuya? No. Okay, cool.
Why are you mad at me? I said the same thing. Landon said,
It's not funny, baby mom.
why are you laughing? It's not funny. Well, why are you mad at me? I said the same thing.
Why? Why are you mad at me?
Because you were laughing, and I thought he was really upset. You're like this. Like giggling.
Okay, Papa is here again. Don't touch the head. Only do this. Yeah. You put your hands here. That's how you hold a child. That's baby Tyrone.
Baby Tyrone.
He wants me to open.
Doesn't like that. That's pancit canton.
He's looking at your curly hair.
It's okay, don't cry, don't cry.
Look at baby sa room. Baby sa room.
Padira.
Sinasabulutan ka na, mama.
Baby sa room. Baby sa room. Let us talk. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of all of this? Ang dami po palang siwang. Ngayon ko nakita yung mga... Ow! Grabe, sorry. Baby say won't. 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 Nga. I love baby Tyrone. I love you, baby Tyrone.
Nakakatawa na, love. Nakakatawa yung love. Oo, love. Pero nakakainis din no, love. O, sige. O.
Nakita mo yan? Gumawa si Mama Marie ng bagong laruan mo. Very, very, this is how the Filipinos make toys for the baby. Very, very creative. Okay. I know you're excited. I know. Okay. This will, okay. I know.
Hi, love. Ako si Mommy mo. Grabe yung saya ng ate ko ngayon. Walang paglagyan. Ngayon ko na lang siya ulit nakita ng ganitong sobrang totoong masaya. Kasi meron siyang ibang happiness like sa friends or may naka-fling o may minahal din kahit papano. Pero iba talaga yung saya niya ngayon. Like, hindi mo maalis sa bibig niya yung pagngiti. Akala mo siya yung ipapa-billboard ng Urban Spa Dental Clinic. Ganon. Si ate mo parang akala mo bagong veneers. Yung ate ko parang akala mo first time nagmahal.
Randall, you know what's this? That's ice cream.
No. That's what's happening.
You wanna try it?
No.
A little one? Go. Spicy, right?
What?
You taste it already.
No, wala na siya, te.
You want more?
It's also time for me to buy some stuff. Kuya Bin said that Shoe Game Manila is the best shoe store here in the Philippines.
Ang hirap ng CS kasi konting galaw mo lang, konting lakad mo lang. Ay nako, ang sakit niya sa likod. Kaya napapahiga din talaga ako. Ayos na ako datnan. Buti na lang ang lambot din talaga ng sopa dun sa gitna ng Shoe Game Manila. Sensya na. Sakit eh.
Tangina niyo eh. Mga walang niya kayo eh. Ba't sinasama niyo ako? Dat kayo na lang eh.
May stop naman eh.
Oo. Grabe, parang may flowers sa paligid sa Fowler Sisters. Mga in love na in love. Hi, kailan kaya ako? Calling Papa King!
Te, ano na? Laplapan ng laplapan? Ano to? Ubusan ng laway? You can't do that in the parking lot in the Philippines. The car will blow up.
Oh, the car blows up.
It's because you're too sweet. The ants will follow you.
Okay, let's go shopping!
Anong tipid sa English?
Discount.
Don't discount up to the paper package.
I've been wasting my time, feeling lonely. But that's the way that I am, with or without you, my love.
You wanna see my whole face? Look like this.
Kailangan kasi pag bibili na ng damit si jowa ay sa personal na. Pag online kasi, minsan hindi po kasya sa kanya.
Wala na talaga akong magamit na damit. Ang laki-laki ko na.
What will you do, baby daddy, if I look like this?
I don't know, what am I supposed to do? You say you lick your lips? No.
What will you look like that? Stay like that.
Sa wakas, maayos na rin yung ilang araw na nirereklamo sa akin ni Harvey. Buti na lang talaga, madaling kausap at mabilis magpa-schedule ng appointment sa Urban Smiles Dental Clinic.
Kinakabahan ako sa kung ano bang gagawin sa akin ngayon. Pero mas nangingibabaw yung pagkainip ko na maayos agad tong ngipin ko.
Is Daddy gonna cry?
No.
Do you think he's gonna cry?
No way.
No way. Okay. It ain't gonna happen. Are you okay, Hap? You think that's gonna be fine?
I'm strong, like a hawk.
Dad! You're so tagal. I'm bored na. See? I'm sleepy. Tagal pa ba?
Payapa lang kami nakatambay ng kuya ko sa labas ng bahay. Nang biglang...
Me too! My baby mama was asking me to get some stuff out of the car. I seen the dog, it started chasing me and my heart instantly dropped. And I don't want to get rabies from the dog. They said it makes you a lose.
Sige na. Ay, nako. Alam mo yung mga 6-footer pa naman kayo? Pero ang bilis nyo tumiklop sa ano lang. Duduwag-duwag kayo sa aso.
My mommy allowed me to use my iPad lately. And guess what? I learned a new TikTok dance.
Dance. O, paano yung pagpahiga naman?
Uy! Ano yan?
Nakita ko yun sa TikTok ko. TikTok.
Again?
Oh, show, madali may palo-palo. Yung sabi mo sa akin kanina. Paano? 1, 2, 3.
Nagaganto siya.
Ganyan. Tapos ganun. Nag-twerk ba yun?
Nagaganto din siya.
Aba. Aba.
Galing.
Meron din siya nag-twerk.
Oh, sige.
Sige, show mo nga paano. Oh, pak. Que te has propuesto las casas, todo cuadro chino. De 7 ao chão, esse bonde do Brunão. De 7 ao chão, esse bonde do Brunão. Nilitigan ko, nilapitan ko, hanggang sa maluwag na pagdilat ko, nalasing, kagabi, ang galing, katabi ka na babe. I need your love, I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right. Ikaw mag-sing.
My hands up of my head, sabadapi-dapi-dapi. My hands up of my head, sabadapi-dapi-dapi. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Galing! 3, 2, 1. She was very divine, one of a kind, but you mash up my mind. You often get declined. Oh Lord, my baby's driving me crazy. Oh, slow mo pala yun.
Thank you, Hap.
Galing pala mag-dance eh. Mga bading, ang abab na dis naman talaga. Talaga namang hirap na. Hirap na talaga ako makakuha ng mga kasama ko sa pag-aalaga. Kaya hala, sige, kahit bedrest dapat tayo yun. Mag-aalaga ng Junakis. Sige, anak pa. Anak pa, papi. Alam niyo, ganito lang talaga yung buhay ko ngayon. Dahil nasa first trimester pa ako, na kundi puro tulog, ayan, puro naman ako suka.
I don't usually go to the convenience store that often, so I wasn't sure about the kind of ingredients they have. There's no sugar.
Yan. Hanap mo yan, 'di ba? Gusto mo yan, 'di ba? Yung palagi kang buntis.
Mikay, bakit ganun? Pag sumusulpot ka, parang mas nakakasuka.
O ayan, sige. Suka ka lang, be.
Doggy. Si Bebong.
Parang baby pa to si Bebang. Nasa na, bata na.
Ang daming gilid eh, oh. Dong. No. Kaya niyo yung cup. Ayaw niyo ng cup. Okay na. Ang dami na. Chik. Ano, Dongki? Ayaw rin tumingin eh. Ay, ito. Sorry na, Bebang. Sorry na, Bangki ko.
Thank thank you so much sa The Med Club kasi talagang very, very consistent sila. When it comes sa scheduling ng vaccine sa mga babies ko, hindi talaga sila pumapalya mag-remind at sa mga busy na mommies out there or sa mga pregnant moms din dyan na hindi maasikaso na mailabas ng bahay yung babies nila para makapagpa-vaccine. Check nyo na ang The Med Club kasi nag-o-offer sila ng home service na vaccination at check-ups. And also yung mga laboratories. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Check nyo na yan. At dahil nga bed rest ang mama mo, yan, pagkakain namin ni Happy, ayan na naman. Higa lang, pahinga, nakahilata lang ako.
Ano ba? Mahina ka na! Gusto mo? Kakakain ko lang! Ba't ka matatalon? Diba? Oh, why are you jumping around? Asking you. Answer. Why are you jumping around? You know. If you don't know, kasi nga nag-jump ka eh. Why are you doing it? Sagot. After we eat, anong gagawin? Ba't hindi nag-take ka na? Nag-jump around ka? Eh, ibig sabihin na, makulit ka. Pasaway ka na. Indoor ka na, butler ka na.
Nagulatan mo na ako, syempre, di ba kakakain mo nga lang? Tapos nagpapahinga ka lang dyan, bed rest ka. Tapos paglingon mong galon, yung anak mo nagtatalon, ay dahil sinong hindi high blood din talaga. High blood ka talaga wala sa oras.
I know that. I need to take a rest after eating. But sometimes I can help it. I want to jump around or dance.
Office towel ka na. So, dad. Hands on your back.
Pwede niya.
Mr.
Bakit?
Tatalon, nakakain lang yan eh.
Hey, nandudot again, okay? Kaya ha? Okay. Sabi mo, don't cry.
Nagulat na lang din ako na naka-face the wall na naman si Hap. Ay wala naman akong magagawa kapag dinidisiplina siya ng mami niya. Pero sa loob-loob ko, awang-awa na ako. Pero kailangan kong tiisin. Kasi para din naman matuto siya.
Ano kasi hindi pa pwedeng hindi ka na nakikinig kay mami. Hindi pa pwedeng yung after magkain talon ka ng talon. E paano ma-hospital ka na naman? I-injection ka ng doctor. Mag-face the wall ka muna dyan. Ganun talaga. You have consequences, okay?
Ang sakit yung paa ko. I wanted to say sorry to my mommy. Hindi ko nakaya ko to. Ang sakit na po yung mommy yung fit ko. Nalay na.
Pag kinilasin mo na lang kung papatagalin mo asawa. Magiging yung tiles eh.
Ano nga yung privilege niya eh?
Never.
Okay, what did you learn?
Tapos,
Na? You already know this. But after we eat, ano dapat gagawin?
mag-take a rest po.
Mag-take a rest. Why did mommy put you on timeout?
Ano, kasi po nag-drop ako.
Nag-jump. Nagja-jump ka? Bad ba mag-jump?
Opo, pag nagkakain lang namin.
Pagkakakain lang. Pero pag hindi ka naman kakakain lang, bad ba mag-jump?
Pwede pa nag-jump pag hindi nagkakain.
Oh. You know what will happen pag nag-jump ka after mong mag-eat?
Nasakit yung tummy ko.
Sakit yung tummy mo. Tapos,
Magagawin ng doctor, mag-slice nila yung...
punta ka sa ospital.
Cut nila.
Makakat nila yung stomach mo pag sobrang sakit. O, gusto mo ba yun? Do you understand?
Opo, kasi they're not gonna see the chips anymore. Tapos tapos mag-slice na ako.
Mag-slice yung
Kasi
chan mo.
ayaw yan.
Ayoko yun. Ayaw mo din yun, di ba?
Opo.
Oh. Do you wanna say sorry to mommy? Then what will you say?
I'm sorry. Kasi pag nagkakain pa ako.
Nandiyan kapag kakakain lang. And then, I can do it again.
Opo.
No po. Do you promise mommy that?
Opo.
Okay.
I learned that every time my mommy teaches me something that I need to listen and memorize it by heart. So I'll not make the same mistake again and again. I know that my parents only want the best for me. I'm sorry, Mom and Dad. I won't do it again. I promise. I'm sorry.
Nilipat ko yung mga tuta doon sa gilid at naglagay ako ng malaking kulungan. Tapos itong si birthday kasi, ay nako, alam naman na niyang nagsisimula ng maglakad ng maliliit yung mga babies niya, yung mga puppies niya. Tapos, ang nangyayari kay birthday, kung asan talaga ako, inuuna niya ako. So, ang ginagawa ko talaga, humaharang ako doon sa gilid para itong si birthday. Lumalabas nga kasi. So, andun ako sa gilid, o sige, magpadede ka lang dyan. Tapos, habang nagpapadede si birthday, ang ginagawa ko, hinawakan ko yung ulo niya, parang inihimas-himas ko siya, ganyan. Gusto naman niya yung ganun. Kasi napansin ko sa kanya, mami na siya, pero gusto niya maging baby ko pa rin siya habang nagpapadede siya sa mga babies niya. Nag-aaway na kayo ah. Sige, mag-aaway kayo dyan. Ikaw naman, dyan lang naman ang mami mo ah. Sumunod sa nanay mo. Ito, nag-aaway na oh. Sige, away kayo. Damay kayo sa inyong kapatid. Uy, ano, dyan ka lang? Diyan ka lang. Ang nanay mo naman naghahalongkat, oh. Punta ka doon sa mga kapatid mo. Nag-aaway talaga yung babae at saka yung ano.
Bakit sila? Hindi naman sa'yo ni Mami. Inandalan ka ng kulangot ni Mami. Ay, naman tatanda tayo ng kulangot. Umiiyak at baby? Ganyan ba? Sorry po. Sorry, my love. Ay, hindi ko na uulitin. I promise, hindi ko na uulitin. Oh, huwag ka na magagalit. Huwag na magagalit, my love. I'm sorry, love. I'm sorry, my love. I love you, my love. How I wonder what you are. Ay, ito ba talaga? Hindi mo nagustuhan ang kanta ni Mami? Ay, huwag ka na magalit. Sinagalaran ko siya ng kulakot eh.
Uy. Hi, love. Hey, love. Gutom ka na?
Hello, love. Ako si Mami mo. Hi, baby. Ano ba nangyari? Ano? Paul, sorry ha, ay ano ka na? Okay, good night na po, love. Ipahinga ka na po. I love you po.
Sorry na, love. Gusto ko kasi makahinga ka ng maayos. Sorry na po. Sorry na.
Lagi ko naman sinasabi kay jowa na, gisingin mo lang ako pag kailangan mo ako. Pero minsan, hindi niya ginagawa. Tapos, bigla na lang niya akong sisipain.
Alam mo yung parang pagod ka, tapos kayo napaiyak na iyak si Tyrone. Saka kita ko si Vince tulog. Wala lang, gusto ko lang siya sipain. Inis ako. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung nararamdaman ko, pero mayo ka nga dyan. Ano ba? Ako lang pagod. Ako lang naiinis sa di ko malaman yung dahilan kung ba't umiiyak si Lab.
Iba din yung connection namin ni Lab. Nagiging madaldal na siya at palagi na rin niya akong gustong kausap.
Maxine, hindi mo na sakit? Kinaya mo? Very good ka? Very good ka ba? Pag may finger, ano? Very good ka? Oo. Masakit ba ngayon? Masakit? Hindi? Kinaktan ka ba nila? Kinaktan ka ba? Ano gusto mo ngayon? Gusto mo na mag-bebe? Gusto mo na mag-bebe? Gusto mo na? Bebe ka na? Bebe ka na? Halika na. Nasaktan ka ba? Sinaktan ka ba nila, love? Ano na pwede saktan, love? Pasensya ka na. Doktor ka kasi.
It's okay, Lab.
For protection sa mga sakit, no? Babay na? Oh, ay, umawak ulit.
Ano, Lab?
Oh, love. Yan naman yung mukha niyang komedyante. Komedyante ka ba, love? Komedyante ka ba? Nagmana ka ba sa akin? Nagmana ka kay Daddy? Oo, joker ka ba paglaki mo?
Joker ka ba, Lab? Hello, Lab. Ako ang mami mo. Hi, Lab. Oo, mahal ka ni mami. Mahal na mahal ka ng mami. Oo, mahal ka ni mami. Sobrang mahal niya ng mami.
Kaya po wala po ako masyado sa episode, ay nagkasakit po kasi ako. Pero nung gumaling na po talaga ako, nag-request na po kay daddy na mag-dance class sa garahe.
It's yours if you bought it. She look good when she rock. Long as up, I'ma do your thing. Shawty know she killing the game when she rockin' her. When she rockin' her. Yeah. She been in the bed before she bought her a bag. Don't worry if it's hers, you ain't pay for the tag. No, she bad gold rings with a cooler drip. She a curly girl, but she bout to go on a trip.
It's time to braid up.
Shawty got a brand new bundle. She don't fumble. All facts, no rebuttal. Check her out. Just the queen of her protective style. Baby hair stay laid with that eco style. Let's go.
Natatakot ako kasi baka maaksidente si baby daddy. Basta ayoko talaga sa motor.
Marunong ka nga, di na ako
You don't... This only. Baby daddy, don't ano. Ay nako, Harvey. Saan pupunta yun?
May mga aso dun.
Tang-ina.
Ikot lang.
Tang-ina, mayayari tayo nito eh.
Ikot lang siya dyan. Pinayagan mo eh. Kami yung buhok din, nakangat o, bumirit.
It's so fun.
Baby daddy, do you know that there's a lot of dogs there?
For real? Yeah. Buti hindi kayo nahabol.
Oh. You're lucky that those dogs weren't outside now.
Why?
Because they might bite you. They have rabies. I told you that.
For real?
Yeah.
Well, they would have to catch me first.
Yes.
They would not catch you. Yeah.
With this bike.
Yeah.
Diyos ko, ang dami niyang gustong subukan. Ngayon naman e-bike. Daming energy, 21.
What?
Sumakay ka nga doon sa likod, Harvey. Sumakay ka, Harvey.
Slowly ah. Oh, brake. Put brake. Kaya put brake there, okay?
This brake doesn't work.
Yeah, the put brake on. Careful ah.
Siyempre, dapat makaranas yan ng gupit na malupit na nanggaling sa napakagaling na Pinoy. Walang iba kung hindi si Sir James, aka Facundo. Papaalala ko lang sa inyo, si Facundo po ang nagturo sa mga Toro Girls kung paano maggupit. Wala na kayong ibang dapat pang pagkatiwalaan at piliin na barbero kung hindi si Facundo. Dahil lahat ng kwento niya ay hindi kwentong barbero. Hey, what a promotion! Magaling, maaasahan, malakas.
Landon,
Yes.
talk to me. What's the plan? First, how do you feel about your hair?
I like it. I just want to clean up. Just taper fade.
Just gonna clean up the side and the back, taper it. Then what's your plan with the top? Do you want to keep this?
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to fix the shape?
Like how?
So how about your beard? What's your plan with your beard?
Shave this and leave this.
Leave this. How about your eyebrows? Do you want me to shave it also?
No.
I'm just kidding. Let's start. Do you have any concerns, questions?
No.
Okay, let's start, brother.
Aba, hindi pa talaga nadala si Yobab at Kevin sa live awayan ni Papi at ni Mikmik doon sa mall. Eh, ito na naman po sila at dumalaw sa bahay.
Hi, Vince. Tita Vince. Tita Vince.
Nakwento na kita sa kanya.
Sabi mo, Mama Mali.
Sabi niya,
Wait, I'm gonna tell you something. London Villa. We told you earlier, right? The pussy is like a belly.
Ang tawag, that's right. No. Ang tawag daw nila dyan ay, what do you call this?
In American food. Muffin.
Muffin.
Ay,
Muffin. This is not muffin, this is the whole bakery.
And there's baker inside.
Yes.
Muffin pa lang to. Ano pa yung loaf?
Muffin yan. So, I have the muffin. So, meaning sa Amerika, you are?
Muffin.
Sa Pilipinas, ano?
Sa Pilipinas, ano to? Panaderia. May pugon pa sa loob.
Kaya pala sobrang blooming ni Mama. Paano kayo mag-aaway, Mama?
Pinanginig naman niyo?
Ang topic sa inyo.
Wala na yung cheese stick ko. Titigas na lang wala ako.
Hindi, may dala ko kayo food.
What food?
Pizza, pasta.
Doon na tayo sa bahay mo para...
Wait lang, magugulat ba ako nang wala kayong dalang pagkain? May dala kayo talaga? Tigil-tigilan ninyo kung ano.
Hindi pa ako makain, sabi nito. Eh, wag naman siya
kakain, hindi kasi ako nagugutom na. Ang dami nang in-order.
She ordered many times.
Kung konti in-order, hindi na sila basta
But she will eat the half of it.
Yes.
You know, you're like a member of boy band in US. Who's that? I don't know. Ang ganda ng
What?
You got accent. I like your accent. Say it again. Sit on
What's
floor.
that? D-O-X.
Say it again.
PGX.
I like your accent. Say it again. Fourth floor.
What's your accent? Buenja.
I like your accent. Kumwa.
Oh, it's me na mowa. Wala siya na mowa yesterday.
How was it?
Too big. Big, very big. I know.
What? Are you referring to me?
She ate the mole.
The moa is here.
Remember the globe?
It's me. It's day off. My day off is today.
Oh,
why?
I thought it's just the legs.
You thought it's another human?
Let's keep it Tyrone. You know what? Kevin is a really good English teacher.
Huh?
Yes. He's a teacher here.
He's a really good English teacher.
But I resigned. I became a dentist. I changed my mind.
A dentist, but a quiet dentist.
Yes.
There's a patient who's speaking English like.
I just get the tooth.
Good.
But out of my sight.
They're funny, right?
We have met before. At birthday song.
Yes.
Tell me what happened.
It was great.
It was nice.
It was nice. Someone...
Fight. You see this girl?
This girl and the other girl. Fight.
Ate Pinipigin natin Papi, they had a fight.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, but all this talking on it.
You know
they're
where's
okay now.
You know where's Ate Papi now? Home?
Yeah. She's resting. Be
Yeah.
quiet. She's sleeping.
It was like a heated argument.
Yeah, we had an argument.
It was like,
Your
accent is so good.
Say it again.
Sikan
Say it again.
Sikan floor.
CGX.
Pershir.
Oh, they're changing the accent.
Into Filipino accent.
Like it's, for example, like second floor, right? Second floor.
We call it second floor.
The
What year are you, Targer?
Yeah, Target. Kapunta Target.
Second year.
Tanongin mo siya isa sa US. US.
52 states, 52 ba?
You where?
You where?
Dallas, Texas.
Dallas, Texas.
Yeah! Hindi Caballo! Cowboy! Her mom is in Dallas, Texas.
Yeah,
Dallas,
that's why we don't talk anymore.
Because her mom keeps on,
Your mom at Dallas?
What part of Dallas?
What part of Dallas?
Thai part.
Saan nga banda?
Hindi ko talaga rin alam. Basta Dallas ang sabi ng nanay ko.
He doesn't know.
He doesn't know.
I don't know. It's hard
You
to
ask your mom
pronounce.
now.
She's sleeping.
I think he's the one.
Think so?
Yes.
Yes, that is behind.
He loves me so much because I just gave him no AirPods.
Pero Kevin, can boom her, right?
Yeah, sometimes the two of us
Yeah,
will
whenever
each other.
I boom her. And then I get boom. Why don't you try to find somebody in LA?
Yes. Amerika ng iba.
Oh, later we should go live.
Yes. Naked.
Gusto lang, isang paper mo lang, makikita.
Tinista ko di ba? That's my favorite. Top of the rice and then you also with mayonnaise.
It's a traditional food here. Saffron in the Philippines. Furfur? Furfur. F-R-F-R. Furfur is
Yes. I love it very much.
What it tastes like? Chicken.
Chicken with slimy inside. And the favorite delicacy here is
Yes.
the tail of the rat.
Wow.
That's
Oh my God, craving.
Yes.
The tail of the rat.
I feel that.
Ang saya na nagkakaroon kami ng mga bagong kaibigan na naman. Lalo na leader namin si Tonyangko, alam nyo naman, sobrang bihira yon makipagkaibigan. Kaya ngayon na nagiging open na siya sa lahat, ang saya kasi pati kami dumadami din yung friends.
At yun na nga, nakasama ko na din ulit yung mga natanggap sa audition nung sa intro na napanood nyo sa video na to, sa episode na to. Ay, nakaka-excite na kinakabahan ako na basta happy ako na may bago akong journey na pinapasok, na bagong trabaho. Adventure to para sa amin na try ko. At syempre, another kakilala na possible na nakakatulong magbigay ng trabaho sa iba at bukod doon ay malaking posible na magkaroon ng connection or ng bagong friendship. So, excited ako doon.
Parang buntis na naman, pakarat ang putang ina.
Pakarat. Diba?
Hindi naman, papi. Hindi porke may pepe tayo, pakaras ng pakarat, ha? Sarado mo muna yan, kahit 2 taon lang, oh.
Porque may anak hindi na masarap, daddy. Paluin mo ang aking puwet.
Hormonal imbalance. May ganun siya.
Alam lahat ni Mami Oni.
Oo nga.
Yung Mami Oni ka pala.
Papakalak lang ako.
Oh, gusto mo try natin sa bibig mo para bumango? Sige, sige. Balik ka. Balik ka.
Yakshi.